My name is Rob Finch, Senior Vice President of Domestic Sales for RapidLink Repairs and DCLI. So building and scaling this operation has been an exciting journey for sure. The role I ended up playing was really more of the strategic vision on how do we help service other people's equipment. We had a lot of customers of DCLI that ultimately came to us and said, we'd like you to service my equipment. Is that something you'd be willing to do? And we had said no for a long time, but ultimately there was a need in the marketplace. And so we helped transform the former DCLI Road Service Group into what is now RapidLink Repairs. It required a significant amount of collaboration across IT and commercial and operations. And so for me, that's where my history and experience in my career comes together. Have about 20 years in transportation and logistics. And half of my time was in commercial and half my time was in operations. And so my expertise is bringing those particular groups together to create a solution that can help customers and create value. And it's been a great journey so far and a lot of fun, for sure. The principles we thought about when we created this operation really had to do with the marketplace and what does the market want. We had a unique opportunity creating a new platform to kind of leapfrog competitors and old processes and habits and really focus on the challenges that the customer faced. So that was at the core principle of everything we were trying to do. And so that takes shape in terms of things like a nationwide service product. It's the number one thing that we've found people want in this space. And nationwide product and service is something that is at the heart of what we offer. It's something like call to roll time and getting drivers back on the road in a timely manner is kind of the other thing that we heard clearly from the marketplace around I want my driver to be back on the road as quickly as possible. Third was around communication. Communicate. So it's one thing to have a breakdown and have an issue. The customers just want to be kept up to speed on what's going on with that particular issue. And not all the providers in the space had been doing that well. And so that was the third. And then last, really had to do around consistent and stable pricing. The current products within the marketplace create a lot of volatility in terms of pricing and not sure what the bills are going to be, which created consternation. So we had the unique opportunity to create a new pricing platform that is consistent and reliable and takes some of the volatility of road service pricing out of the equation. Focus on the customer is our kind of number one core principle. Our culture and our group is completely focused on the customer. Even so in our structure, so the RapidLink team is within a commercial organization instead of an operations organization because we do feel like that customer touch point is so important in making sure we're driving high levels of customer satisfaction. And so our job is balancing, retaining high levels of customer satisfaction. So we have customer satisfaction scores at 90% or higher across the entire year last year, which is something we're really proud of. But also, how do we balance that with providing a lower cost product that can help save customers money? And so we're excited about the balance we've found between customer satisfaction and a lower cost product for our customers. We've enhanced processes over time with partnerships with someone like Reach, who is a technology partner of ours, with things like auto dispatch. How do we use technology and leverage technology to provide a better product for both the RapidLink team and the customers? And so we're excited about the forward-leaning kind of tech space and partnerships that we have to provide a better product out there in the marketplace. So I'm just really excited about our future and where we're going. We've had great success so far in those partnerships and in technology, and there's more to come. For me, it really comes down to two things in particular. Number one is seeing really good, talented people develop in their roles. Seeing the experience and the knowledge and the improvements that they've made within the business has been amazing. And then the second is really bringing value to satisfied customers. When someone posts online or provides feedback in surveys about how happy they are with RapidLink Repairs, it's just one of the best parts about my job, knowing we're delivering value within the industry.